Yeah, brought to you by
every day if you want.
Oh, well, I will if y'all want me to.
Hey,
But,
we like you, Sonia.
well, I like y'all too.
We'll have to charge you, though.
Well, okay, well, yeah, maybe not then.
I'll just put it on Brad's bill.
Yeah, yeah, he won't care. Yeah. No, I actually had a question, and I had to hold it since we had that 3-part series. But the question was, with the rise in popularity of consumer dash cameras, will insurance carriers offer discounts for having one? And is the video captured admissible as evidence of guilt or innocence if there's an accident?
What a great question.
Very good question. And Rick always says that, insurance has to take the fun out of everything.
It
so
does.
I want to make a disclaimer before I talk about the good things of a dash cam, is that some things that I read when I was kind of researching this. First of all, the thing that's really popular is to put your footage on social media if you catch somebody doing something really stupid. And you can be sued for that, from what I understand, especially if they can tell who the person is. So don't do that. I'm not recommending.
You get sued for doing something stupid.
Well, no, for putting somebody, if you catch somebody doing something stupid on a camera and you put it all over social media and goes viral, that person may indeed sue you.
And they can, if that includes, I'm sure, the license plate,
all that kind of stuff. All that kind of stuff. So I'm not recommending that.
Right.
And also, I know different states have different laws on how you can mount the camera. So be careful with that. Okay. So now to answer the question, as far as getting specific discounts, insurance companies, from what I have seen, have not started giving specific discounts. A lot of times, insurance companies are a little bit slow to embrace that stuff because they want to, first of all, they want proof that it really does make things safer. I read somewhere that I think it's the state of New York, that there's some kind of bill that they're trying to get passed where they require insurance companies to give a discount, So we'll see how that goes. Right now, there's not specific discounts. However, anytime that you can do something that will potentially make things safer for whatever reason, it's a good thing. If you can keep from having an accident, or if you have an accident that's not your fault and you can prove it's not your fault, it's always good whether you get a specific discount. Now, we have seen some businesses, trucking companies, that have those, and we even have one company that we insure, they're not from Graham, that they also have cameras that film their drivers all the time.
Wow.
And their insurance companies give them a discount because of that. And it's not a state discount or something that you'll read about. It's just something that insurance company saw the benefit of that. And so, that's important. But, and I will say that in the United Kingdom, most of their insurance companies are given a 10 to 15% discount already if a dash cam's mounted. So I think it's coming. But as far as whether it's admissible or not, that's just, remains to be seen. However, I think that it couldn't hurt. It could be definitely used as evidence one way or the other. Let's see. Of course, you'll have a record of your accident. Another thing that you can do is help fight insurance fraud, because you see people that stage accidents on purpose just for insurance fraud, and so that's always good, because the claims make rates. That's where the rates come from. The more claims, there's going to be higher rates, and so anything that can prevent a claim being paid. And then if you have a teenager, you can review your teenager's driver's skills, and so that's a good thing. So there's just a huge bunch of benefits that I can see to it. So while I don't think that you'll get a specific discount, I think that it could save you money down the road, and it definitely couldn't hurt. And I do anticipate that there will be discounts coming in the next few years.
What about people that mount these like on motorcycles or bicycles or things like that? You see people that have those on their helmets and things. Is that kind of in the same boat? Kind
of in the same boat, yeah. I think that it's just, again, you're not going to see a discount where it says dash cam discount, on your, I don't know about your bicycle insurance, but on your motorcycle insurance or your car insurance, but I don't think it could hurt. I think anything that you can have is a record. Rick and I know from personal experience, one time we had an accident in a parking lot. There was no dash cam involved. However, the business's security camera kept us from having to turn a claim in on our insurance because it proved that the other person was at fault. So, I mean, any time that there is actually, no, it's the other one. Half of that. But yeah, it helps. It doesn't hurt. If anything that you can have to add to the evidence, it's not going to hurt.
So a dash cam's a really good thing. I know police officers have these on their persons plus their cars and stuff like that. Proves and helps in a lot of situations like that. I really never thought about putting a dash cam on my truck, but it's not a bad idea.
And I think a lot of times I've seen this over the years, and yeah, some people are just going to lie about an accident, but most of the time, you can have two people that see the same accident and they saw two different things because it's all from their perspective. So even though witnesses are always the best evidence, I think, and also, they can tell, the police can tell from afterwards what happened, but anything you can have to shed light on what exactly happened is going to help shed light on the truth. So,
Well, how do folks get a hold of y'all to find out these more information?
more information, you can call us at 940-549-2525. You can come see us, second floor Sierra Bank Building in downtown Graham, or visit us at www.bryanins.com.
All right. What about your email for asking questions? Do you like to do that?
Yeah, I'll give
Is
it
there
a
a form on the?
It's on the website and
Okay.
also on social media, or you can just email me, Sonia E. It's SONYAE at Bryan BRYANINS.com.
All right. Thank you, Sonia.
Thank y'all.
I'll see you next week.
All right.